on the, what the? Oh my god! Oh my god, what is he doing?
So I've been meaning to get a proper dash cam forever now and just kept putting it off and putting it off until I saw that viral video I just played where that car cut someone off and then deliberately reversed into them, the classic "you rear-ended me" insurance fraud shtick. And at the very moment I first witnessed this, I was immediately inspired to go shop for a dash cam. But luckily for me, Vantrue got to me first and wanted me to test out their very own compelling and high-res E360 panoramic dash cam. Let's get into it. First up, installation is really simple. You stick an adhesive film on your windshield, ideally behind your rearview mirror, and then adhere the dash cam's powered mount with its included adhesive pad. Then you wire it all up and hook it up to your car charger. It conveniently has a USB-A port built in for fast charging too. There's also a rear camera which you can install the same way and wire up from the front to the back of your vehicle. As for the E360 camera itself though, it's designed really nicely with high quality plastics and rubber. It kinda looks like an action camera, but we'll put a pin in that for now. It also has a built-in touchscreen which lets you interact with the camera's controls and settings. Powering the whole ensemble though are internal supercapacitors instead of batteries. They hook up to the powered mount that's plugged into your car, which allows the E360 to withstand extreme temperatures like the Michigan winter I'm currently enduring right now. But getting to the cameras though, you get two identical sensors and lenses on the main E360 camera module, paired with the one in the back of course too. They allow you to record in a variety of resolutions or modes, but the best one by far is its 5.2K 360-degree video, which is made possible by advanced dynamic stitching and the E360's powerful quad-core processor inside that stitches the video streams together in real time. Essentially, you aren't missing anything and get a unified view of what's going on within and in front of your car, which is amazing. The dash cam also has 8 built-in infrared lights and other low light optimizations to deliver what they call night vision 2.0, or that experience. So as you can imagine, even at night or in near pitch darkness, you're capturing all the details you need to see, again, including inside your vehicle as well, which is really dope. The E360 also packs features like GPS tracking, 24/7 parking monitoring if you hardwire it, collision detection, motion detection to prevent theft, and best of all, if something happens like a collision, the camera will automatically lock captured video files in an emergency folder that cannot be overwritten. You can also lock a video by telling the camera to do so, along with other voice commands, which is pretty sweet. More about video capture though, you can enable time-lapse recording at 1, 5, 10, and 15 FPS for longer car rides or trips, along with looped recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest video file on device. Speaking of which, it has a micro SD card slot too that can support cards up to 512 gigs. And last up, the E360 has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect it via the free Vantrue app, which gives you a live view, the ability to view and save stored video files, along with tweak settings and toggle other menu items or controls. But beyond the dash cam features and aspects though, remember when I said I was putting a pin in the action camera adjacent vibe with the E360? Well, that's because it doubles as one as well with the Vantrue Ace powered mount or tripod selfie stick accessory that I have here, which has a built-in battery that gets you up to 4 hours of record time with the E360. Not too shabby at all. You can record the same great 360-degree 5.2K panoramic video too, but also more standard formats like 16:9, fisheye, and higher frame rates as well. Not to mention in dash cam and action cam mode, you can shoot video in HDR2 to increase contrast and dynamic range. All of this to say the E360 is a fantastic quality, intuitive, truly high-tech dash cam, and the fact that it's a pretty decent action camera on the side as well is an insane bonus. It's a proper 2-for-1 deal if you ask me. I'll leave a link in the video description down below if you're interested in checking the E360 and or Vantrue's website out. And that about wraps things up here. I hope this video was helpful. Expect more content coming from me soon. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.